Okay, so welcome back. This is highly requested video to do full tutorial video for bread and how you can provide yield farming, how you can make money by providing liquidity for bread and Ethereum on base chain. So watch the video to the end. I'm going to explain you everything step by step what you need to know. Also make sure you understand you need to subscribe if you want to follow any other videos. And I'm doing a lot of giveaways. Like yesterday I did a huge one note of $1,000 giveaway for all my community members, and also I'm doing giveaway for everybody who is leaving just a comment and let me know what you think about this video and what is your approach for this pool. Now, nothing here is financial advice. Make sure you understand that I'm not your mama and papa, which means I'm not giving you any financial advice. This video is for entertainment and education purposes only. Do I am recording? Yes, I am recording. Okay, so let's go. So bread token, there are a few things you need to understand. So first you need to pick up good pair what you want to provide liquidity, and you need to do your own research, and I will tell you how I'm doing my research. So in this case we're doing bread and Ethereum on base chain. Why base chain? Because the fees are cheap. I'm assuming you know already how to bridge token to the base. Just go to your Binance or KuCoin and send Ethereum from that exchange to your wallet. I'm using Rabi wallet. Make sure you use Ledger or any hardware wallet and send Ethereum Ethereum to base chain. Okay, Ethereum is the main token for the base chain for the paying the gas fees. Now, because base chain don't have their own token, so then what you need to do is you can go to DeFi Llama, okay, and go here down left, it says correlation. Go there, pick up two tokens what you planning to do liquidity, and then see how they are correlated. In the last 1 year it's too far, but in the last month it's good to be 0.5 or above. This is 0.76, what is very good to be honest. In the last 7 days is 0.45, what is still very good comparing to the price going down. Now if you go to see bread token right now, it's not all-time high, but it's 40% down from all-time high, what was about 1 month ago, and maybe according to me it's good entry points for some liquidity. Why? Because I think bread token have huge upside potential together with Ethereum, but bread is going to outperform Ethereum, I hope, for like 20-30 times. So this is how you can make passive income. This is cash flow. Okay, so you need to understand that when one token go up and down, it's converted to the other one. So make sure you understand, you need to learn all of that. So once you go there, then what I'm using is you need to do some TA, very small. So I did this one for you. You open bread and Ethereum, and then you press here Ethereum, okay, so, and then you pick up some lines. Okay, so according to me this is the bottom right here, 0.03534. So you have some support right there. Even if you go back to 6th of June, this is on 4 hours chart, and then you draw some support upside, or you can put even here 0.050, and you will see that's a very huge support right there. And then you go with the tool what I'm using, it's called Krystal. Also you can use also airdrop because the liquidity is also here. You can go and put here the liquidity if you know what you're doing, but just for the purpose of this video, let me just see bread. Let me see if going to show up. Bread, yes, there we go. Bread is showing here, but it's a concentrated liquidity pool, so you need to know what you're doing here. So, but if you go here for DeFi Krystal, this is the tool what I'm using, and I have some money already around $150. You will see that here when you pick up, what you need to do is, let me just open for you bread and Ethereum. So what you need to do, this is the page. And then you pick up here the mainnet. In this case I put base. You put here bread, is coming all the pools right there. Sometimes this is very sluggy and laggy, make sure you understand that, so it doesn't always show the pools. And here is the pool what I want to enter. You will see that in the last 24 hours there are $29,000 in fees only in this pool, and these $9,000 are divided by everybody who providing liquidity right here. So the liquidity, and this is the 24-hour trading volume. So this number needs to be equal or bigger than this number, which means this is a good sign to get in. If this number right here is only 8,000 trading volume, but you will see 39,000 liquidity, that means they only earn 25% fee. So be careful when you're choosing the pool. So that's why I like Krystal, because they give you a lot. It's a great tool to keep you understand what you're doing. Then you go and pick up the pool. Okay, you will see that in 24 hours they had 3 million, 9,000 bucks in fees, 22.7 million locked. And then you say, okay, I need to set up my range. So this is the tricky part. You need to set up the range. Okay, so you need to set up the range, and in this case will be something like, give me a second, you need to put here breadth to Ethereum. Okay, this is very important, and you need to have more breadth tokens, probably around 70-80% than Ethereum. Why? Because when the breadth token going up, it starts selling into Ethereum UDCA, or when the Ethereum going up, then Ethereum selling into breadth token. So you need to understand that, and I'll tell you where you can go and learn all these things. So here you can see the best wide range. Okay, this is giving you automatically. This is the best narrow range, but I think I should be here if I'm not mistaken, but maybe I'm wrong. Let me just see. Yes, I am wrong. So it should be the opposite way. All right, so give me a second. Let me just go breadth to Ethereum. And if I think that the breadth token going to go down around, let's say 5%, and is going to go up around 20%, I'm going to earn, I'm not sure if you're watching, maybe because of my face you cannot see. Let me just zoom out this page. I cannot move my face. Let me just see if I can move. Yes, yeah, I can move my face. Okay, so if you see, let me just zoom this one out. What I did, best wide, best full range. There you go. Okay, so if you think, let's say, all right, so let's say you think this is for 1,000 bucks here, you will see that you need to put 800 bucks in breadth and 187 bucks in, let's say 20% in Ethereum. What's mean that you betting in this time that the breadth price is going to go up. So in this wide range of 30% up and down, you will earn approximately 125% APR a year, what's giving around 10% monthly. Again, this is, you're going to earn 3.4 bucks for 1,000 bucks invested for estimate earning in 24 hours. Make sure you understand, okay, this is not so easy. Sometimes you're going to earn more, sometimes you're going to earn less. So let's add the liquidity. You go to add liquidity, make sure you connect to the wallet, and here you can zap in. That's the beautiful stuff. You zap in one token only. I have Ethereum in my case, and I have 0.05, so I'm going to put 0.04. okay, make sure you always left some money for the fees. You wait a little bit, is giving you the correct price. Make sure if you're playing this on Ethereum, that the fees are extremely high. So maybe if you're new, start with Solana, but Solana is not supported on DeFi on Krystal, or go here for Base, or maybe Arbitrum, or some other cheap chains. So here you are, you will see, I will approve now, I will just approve. You're waiting, you need to pay the fee. Let's see how much I'm going to pay, 0.02 cents, okay, so what's not bad at all, to be honest. Okay, you wait, and it's very fast. That failed. Oh, well done, got support. All right, not on the video, doesn't fail a lot, but when you zap in, sometimes you're failing. Maybe the fees are too cheap, or maybe the price change in that moment. You just wait a little bit, okay, and you try again. If not, you can do the old school. You just provide 80% with 20%, and you're all in. Instant, I will go, yeah, instant, and should be go away now. You wait, success, done. All right, so just increase the fee a little bit. And if you go back here, you will see, if you go to your profile, you will see that your position, just wait, refresh, just wait a couple of seconds, you know, refresh. Sometimes Krystal doesn't work with me because I'm using a couple of antiviruses, so it doesn't like that. So it's a little bit dodgy. So yeah, just be aware of it. And just after what, like a couple of seconds, you will see I have my my pool here, and I already earned 1 cent, 0.01 cents in only a couple of seconds, and I already lost 0.50 cents in impermanent loss because the price just moved in these seconds when I good. Okay, and here you will see all the pull down, how much money you put. There we go, 20 bucks of Ethereum, 100 bucks of bread, how many tokens, and what was the gas fee, what was 0.02 cents, what was pretty cheap. compared to Ethereum. This is how many you can project to earn a day and all that stuff, and all the data is right here. So hope you understand this one. Now the next thing, if you want to learn, go and join Underdog Investor Group, the best group for yield farming. It's free and also paid. Go and join the free version still, because still it's free, otherwise it will be paid very soon. So make sure you join there. Portfolio Masters, join there so you can get the best token with low market cap, and you can go and scoop up, so because they're doing all the research for you, and they give you the best tokens with low market cap. And maybe it's something what you like to look, because they have many in their VIP, they have so many good calls. It's just amazing. All right, that's about it for Bread Token. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, liking. Leave me a comment and let me know what the heck you think. Do you like this one? Do you not? And so on and so on. All right, if you want me to cover something else, again, let me know in the comment section what pools do you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that for you. Thank you and goodbye.